Yes.
Nope, you're in my way now. Your work clothes, dirty clothes basket, right there.
Yes.
Every day that you don't push it in, what do I get?
A foot rub.
So if I take a picture of it when I get home from work or wherever I'm going, you promise I get a foot rub.
I promise.
If you don't push it back where it's supposed to
I
go,
will
because
push
you know
it
we're
back
on
where
limited
it's supposed to
space
be.
here.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
the pandemic.
I will take
We
care
can't
of
get a bigger house right now.
it. I will take care of
We
it.
gotta wait for the little one. Okay. So a foot rub.
Foot rub.
Every day that, excuse me, move. It's a particular greenish blue. Oh, that's where it belongs.
So every day I
Good
do push
job.
it back, do I get a foot rub?
No, I'm not pushing it back any longer. I'm taking pictures of it now. But yay. You heard this. I have a whole audience who knows what this means. I'll be getting a lot of foot rubs. And can we make it also to where if you don't turn your socks right side in, because when I wash them and they're inside out, it drives me crazy. We've talked about this for 21 years
honey,
too.
so I wear my socks for 2 days. The second day I flip them inside out and wear them the other way.
Just make them right. Can we make that a thing too? Make your socks right?
Like turn my underwear right side in?
Yes, because you know how many underwear. Listen, let me tell you. I have raised so many boys and men in this house. Nobody knows how to turn their underwear the right way to be washed. Nobody knows how to turn their socks the right way. It's very frustrating, especially in the pandemic that we're in. It's getting on my nerves, basically. There's going to be so many divorces. Exactly. There's going to be so many divorces and children kicked out of the house. It's going to be a bet. Get off, Bradley. Get off. If he breaks my bed, he owes me a Tempur-Pedic.
Ha!
Can I get that Tempur-Pedic? Jesus, I can't. But you heard it here. Done with it.